Correct. All right, so Lisa, in this flop shot, this high shot, there's only two types of shots. There's high and low. So in the low shot, that's a totally different setup. But we're going for a high shot, and you got the ball forward. That's good. You want to set your shoulders fairly level to increase the angle of approach. So don't get tilted back. That'll cause problems too. So I love that ball position. Still don't have the grip weak enough for me, but that's okay. We'll get it there. I want the left arm to be straight down the shaft. So, and I want the shaft like you've got it pointed right at the center of your chest. So it'd be actually maybe slightly behind your golf ball there. Now from there, you're going to keep the handle of the golf club, pointed inward on the takeaway. So what does that really mean? That means whatever angle you start with here at address, you're going to retain. So don't break your wrist, just keep that angle. So this was a good backswing. And coming through, the club head's going to pass, which it did. One thing you got to be careful of is returning that shaft back to the same exact angle that it started. And you did a nice job there. And look through the hitting zone, how you kept the face open and you let the club head pass your hands, which is exactly what I want you to do. So you weaken your left hand grip. Your right crease, the crease formed between the right thumb and forefingers pointed at your chin, which is different, by the way, than what you normally do. You got it more at your right shoulder. So this is just for a specialty shot high. And then you keep turning your chest through and don't let the face close. You want to keep the face of the golf club, I call it wiping the table. The back of my left wrist stays cupped and the palm of my left hand stays pointed at the ground. And so by definition, if I do that, that face can never close. If the palm of my left hand is pointed at the ground, that's called wiping the table, and you're doing it right there. So that's good. Nice. All right, everything I'm doing, one more thing. So remember, procedurally, if we open your stance, you got to move the ball forward, because if you keep the same ball position and open your left foot or bring your left foot back, the ball's going to be too far back in your stance. You have to make that adjustment when you open your stance. That's something you got to remember. And you did a nice job here.